Okay, so how should you wear your AirPods the correct way? How do you keep AirPods Pro from falling out? Whatever model of AirPods you have, you may have had problems with your AirPods falling out of your ears. In this video, we'll give you some tips for getting your AirPods to stay where they belong. Number 1. Wear your AirPods sideways or upside down. A quick and easy way to keep your AirPods from falling out is just to give them a little twist. Instead of putting them in your ears with the stems facing down, as usual, you can try turning them sideways or even upside down. For some people, this may help wedge the AirPods more tightly in your ear. Keep in mind, when you do this, your microphone will be pointed away from your mouth, so it may be more difficult to have phone, FaceTime or Zoom conversations with your AirPods in. Number 2. Try different ear tips. AirPods Pro come with 3 different sizes of silicone tips, so of course, trying each one of these may help you find the best fit for your ears, so make sure to try every single one of them. Number 3. Attach ear hooks to your AirPods. Ear hooks are third-party accessories you can attach to your AirPods. They loop over your ear to keep your AirPods from falling out of your ears. You can find ear hooks from AirPods and ear hooks from AirPods Pro from a wide variety of retailers, but I really suggest getting the ones on the description of this video. This really helped me a lot, and they are from Amazon and their quality to price ratio is the best out there by far. Number 4. Use AirPods covers. If you're not a fan of attaching a bulky ear hook to your AirPods, you might consider looking into AirPods covers. These accessories are available for AirPods 1 and AirPods 2. They slip over the head of your AirPods. So this wraps up this video for now on how to wear AirPods correctly, and take the links of the products on the description and comment section down below.